Here's a problem that quite a few of you were struggling with at the board, and so since our test is coming up, I wanted to go ahead and work it out for you. All right, so this is solving a system of equations with 3 variables. Okay, so what I'm doing now is searching to see what variables that I want to cancel. All right, I'm looking for a pattern. I see that I have a negative y, negative y. I can cancel my y's, it'd be pretty easy to do that, or I can also over here cancel my z's. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and cancel my y's. So I'm going to start with choosing equation 1 and 2, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply equation 2 by negative 1 just to make my y's opposite signs. So equation 2 I'm going to multiply by negative 1. Okay, go ahead and bring down my equation 1. I have x minus y plus z equals negative 2, right? And then multiplying equation 2 by negative 1, that would be negative 4x, positive y, negative 2z equals 3. Okay, let me double check that. All of my signs should be opposite. So positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, positive. Okay, I'm ready to add the 2 equations together. So that will be negative 3x. My y's cancel. Okay, negative z and equals positive 1. Okay, this will be equation 4. Alright, so I've used equation 1 and 2. Now I have to use equation 3. I have to stick with the same variable. So I cancel the y's. So I'm going to go ahead and underline, and I need to choose, I guess I'm going to go ahead and choose equation 2. So 2 and 3. Okay, so this is a negative 3. I need this to be a positive 3. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply equation 2 by negative 3 to make this a positive 3 coefficient. Okay, so multiplying by negative 3. Okay, so that will be negative 12x and then positive 3y, negative 6z equals 9. Okay, let me double check that. So that will be negative 12x multiplying by negative 3, positive 3y, negative 6z, and positive 9. Okay, go ahead and pull equation 3 down. That'll be 2x minus 3y plus 2z equals negative 7. Using the elimination method, we'll add the 2 together, get some more room here. So that will be negative 10x, my y's cancel, negative 4z equals 2. Double check everything. As I go along, I'm double checking. I don't want to have to start all over again. So negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10, negative 4, 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, this is equation 5. I'm going to go ahead and pull equation 4 down just so that I have them together, easier to see. Alright, so now I'm left with 2 equations, 2 variables. Okay, and I'm going to repeat the elimination method again. I need to decide which variable I want to cancel out, either my x or my z's. It looks like it would be real easy to cancel the z's if I just multiply equation 4 by negative 4, and this will become a positive 4. So I'll have a negative 4 here, multiply equation 4 by negative 4 to make this a positive 4. Okay, so let me get some more room. Let's see, I'm going to rewrite. So negative 10x minus 4z equals 2. Equation 4 will change to, let's see, multiplying by negative 4. So that'll be positive 12x positive 4z, and negative 4. Okay, double check. Positive 12x, positive 4z, negative 4. Okay, eliminate that variable. So this will be positive 2x equals negative 2. Okay, so I'm dividing by 2 to solve for x. I have x equals negative 1. Okay, now that I've solved for one variable, I'm going to go ahead and substitute it back into equation 4 or 5 that has two variables. I'm thinking the easiest one looks like it would be 4. So plugging negative 1 into equation 4, that will be negative 3 times negative 1 minus z equals 1. Okay, so this is positive 3 minus z equals 1. Okay, subtract 3, so negative z equals negative 2. And divide by negative 1, z equals 2. Alright, so I have two variables now. I have x equals negative 1 and z equals 2. I'm going to go ahead and bring both of these values up to the top. Negative 1 and 2. Okay. Alright, I have one more left. I need to solve for y. Okay, so now all we have to do is plug both values into one of these equations. It looks like equation 1 would probably be the easiest. Okay, so x is negative 1 minus y plus z, which is 2, equals negative 2. We combine like terms. We have 1 minus y equals negative 2. And subtract 1. So negative y equals negative 3. And divide by negative 1, y equals positive 3. Okay, so there we have it, our x, y, z, three-dimensional point. Let's go ahead and put these values in alphabetical order. So x is negative 1. Oops, let's go back and fix that. Don't know what happened there. Okay, so x is negative 1, y is 3, and z is 2. And there you have it. That's the problem we were doing with our relay races at the board yesterday and today. Okay, so good luck studying for your test. Come see me during tutorial if you need some help. Thanks.